All right, it is currently about to be 1 a.m. and we're gonna take the Shelby out for a little nighttime POV drive in downtown Houston, man. The weather's gonna get bad, so this week the plan is to pretty much get the 2-valve into the shop so we can do an oil change, Pro Charger oil change, the belt swap because the current belt on the car is slipping, preventing the car from making as much boost as it needs to make. But we're gonna take the Shelby out, man, because number one, I've not done a nighttime POV drive in this car in very, very long. And number two, it's gonna be really, really bad this week as far as rain. The weather's gonna warm up, so, oh my God. Let's go ahead and get a drive in right now. Get a cold start. I do apologize, neighbors. This car is on the loud side, but it is what it is. 3, 2, 1, let go. Guys on the POV drive. All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I don't remember the last time I've done a nighttime POV drive in the Shelby, man. It's probably been like 4 or 5, could have been 6 months at this point. And unfortunately, if you guys can't tell, it is starting to drizzle, which kind of sucks. Now obviously I'm not gonna do like some crazy hard pulls because I do have on the Mickeys and it's starting to get cold. It's like 43 right now. It's raining, so we're gonna have to be very, very, very careful out tonight. But I still want to do a little nighttime POV drive. Turn the fun mode on. Yeah, you guys can probably see it on the windshield. I don't know if you guys can. I gotta let the oil still warm up. Woo! Oh, there's a boot in the middle of the fucking road. What the hell? Dude, I'm telling you right now, the car sounds nasty at night. Taking this thing out at night, this thing sounds insane. It's cold as hell though. Hopefully it doesn't like start coming down hard. It's just like a drizzle right now. Whew. I'm telling you, man. Nighttime is the time to take out a 350 because it sounds crazy. not get too crazy here. Oh, we got a sheriff. I probably shouldn't have done that. About it, because I actually do have the interior lights on, and if you guys are unaware, like having interior lights on is kind of, it's like a gray area. Some cops trip, some cops don't. I mean, it's 1 a.m. it's Texas, it's cold. Hopefully this fella is like on the way back to the station. His shift's about to be over, or it is over, he's just trying to go home. I think he is coming up behind me. Let's go ahead and turn off these interior lights right quick. Whew. I think that cop is directly behind me. Oh no. Oh yes he is. Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. I literally was like, what the fuck? Is he gonna really come around me like that? I was like, ain't no way a cop finna do that. But now we chilling. I got real nervous right there because he was coming out like crazy, like he was headhunting me or something like that. Whew. To put this car in 6th gear. I don't want to do no pulls down this road because I don't know if that guy is lurking back there with his lights off. Oh shit! That sounds good. Yeah, that thing sounds hella good. Hell yeah. That thing sounds good as hell. That sounds good. That C6 sounds good. I need a vet, man. I need a vet. That's Texas for you though. They just coming out the woodworks. Temp at 165. Okay, it's getting there. Oh, what's going on up here? Pull up to this gas station real quick. Man, I'm about to have my homeboy come wash the car again. Whew.
A few moments later.
All right, we good to go. Whew. I think the rain is starting to come down a little bit harder now, so we are for real gonna have to be extra careful. Whew. I heard some cars flying by while I was parked up. Man, dude's tripping, bro. I'm telling you, sometimes like people out in Texas, I don't think they really know the rules of the road when it gets cold, cause I mean some fellas just go ape shit. I really gotta go ahead and I want to get an MGW shifter for this car, but I know the install is kind of involved because I do want to get rid of the rattle that the stock and also the OEM short throw shifter does have, because this actually has the OEM short shifter on it. I do want to get an MGW unit so I can go ahead and remove the rattle as well as the shift knob. I might get the shift knob first because that'll require me to have to go ahead and take this off and tighten up that retainer bolt, and then like right around the time where that retainer bolt starts to rattle again, you know, I'll get the MGW short throw on this car as well. And I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get that clutch put in as well, because I have a brand new clutch for this car, just kind of waiting on shop time, because I'm not really trying to drop a car off and not have, you know, it ready to be picked up then, you know, a couple days, because I know you can do a clutch on these even with headers in like a day, but it's just everybody's booked now, man. It's bad. It's way worse than I thought it was gonna be. Turn the fun mode on, but not too much fun because the ground is wet and it's cold. Gotta go see what downtown Houston's like at 1 in the morning. What the hell is this guy doing behind me? Is this a cop? I think everybody's a cop. The way motherfuckers be driving in Houston, they'll be like, people will literally just ride your ass. And it's like, is that a cop? Like, cause I'm like, why do fellas do that out here, man? People don't do that in Chicago. Like, they won't, like, if they want to pass you, they're just gonna pass you. Here in Houston, they'll ride your ass for like a couple minutes, and it's like, bro, you good? Jesus. But I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a little bit when I kind of pull up to where I'm gonna be at, because I'm not gonna go like too deep, because obviously it's late and the weather is, you know, less than optimal. Woo! Let me go ahead and open her up a little bit. Ooh. Oh my God, there's actually like puddles of rain here. Damn, I didn't realize it was raining this bad in Houston. Sheesh. Oh man, I didn't realize it was this bad. Damn, son. Well, my car is dirty as hell. Actually, it's only a one-way. I can't even go that way. driving in the wrong fucking lane. Well, I think your boy's about to head home because I didn't realize it was this bad out here in Houston. This weather sucks. I mean, it's wet as hell. I didn't realize it was like this. I probably should have checked the weather out here, but I know for a fact my car dirty as hell now. Damn. Oh well. Sucks. Nutty. About to hit 45 and get out of here. I didn't really realize how bad the weather was, and I don't really feel like driving around in downtown Houston when that weather is that bad. Alright, so I do apologize for the very short and abrupt city POV drive. I didn't really realize the roads were that bad and wet. Now, Houston roads, especially downtown, are already kind of sketch, and when you start throwing in rain and just whatever other bullshit would have been out there, it's really not worth it. But at least you got a nice little nighttime POV. It's been a minute since I've done one of those, but the weather was just not working with us tonight. It is what it is. I guess it's for the best. Whew. Rather just play it smart and go home than, you know, risk just, you know, getting in an accident or something like that or whatever. So I'll catch you guys when I get back to the crib. All right, so I'm back at the casa, man. The weather actually is pretty bad outside, so hope you enjoyed the POV drive. If you did, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I parked the car kind of coming toward the crib because I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the best reverse parker. It's like 2 in the morning and I don't want to be going in and out and just piss a bunch of people off. So if you guys enjoy it, like I said, man, drop a like, all that good stuff. I'm catching the next one. Deuces.